In this video, I want to review the Jason Ricci signature microphone from the folks at Lone Wolf Blues Company. For full disclosure, this mic was given to me by the company for review, but my thoughts are my own. This mic is a dynamic microphone with a volume knob and a 1/4-inch output that costs $209 at the time of posting this. As far as harmonica mics go, I want them to be lightweight and easy to hold with a good sound that also takes pedals well. So does this mic hit all of those points? Well, first of all, this is a comfortable microphone. If all you've ever used is those hulking bullet mics, this will feel so much better in your hands. There's a little bit of a flange that goes up to the top that makes it really easy to hold. It's also not too heavy at 8 ounces, which is a big deal for me because I have bad hands and I get pretty worn out with heavy mics. My main microphone previous to getting this was the Bulletini, and even though the Bulletini is small, I prefer holding this microphone. I can hold this for long sessions and it doesn't bug me, and it's just a very comfortable harmonica microphone shape. This harmonica mic feels quality to me. Nothing on it feels cheap. The volume knob is good. The parts are good. Looks wise, I think this mic is pretty nice. I have the standard purple edition that has a bit of a sparkle in the paint as well, which is a nice touch. This mic also comes in a large variety of colors, so I'm sure that you can get it in your favorite color if you want. Sound-wise, this mic is very good, but I'm gonna let you judge for yourself. Here's a demo. I'm going to be running through a harp attack pedal right into my audio interface, and I'm playing an Arkia signature harmonica. Take a listen. The tone on this microphone is on the brighter side, which I like personally. Bullet mics in comparison tend to be a little bit bassier and more distorted. Here's a clip of this microphone in direct comparison with the Bulletini. Again, I'm running everything into my harp attack pedal directly into my computer, so there shouldn't be too much to color the sound. In general, I really like the sound of this mic. It feels slightly more responsive than other mics that I've used as well. That's a subtle thing, but it's something I did notice. It also is a little less distorted in general than your average bullet mic, which makes it a little bit more versatile. Next, this mic in particular is great with pedals, which is not really surprising with Jason Ricci's influence. Jason uses a pretty extensive pedal board, so I can see why he would want a mic that handles them very well, and this definitely does the trick. Here's a demo of this mic being run through a whole bunch of effects pedals. Check it out. So that's the Jason Ricci signature microphone. It's a well-designed mic that sounds great. There's not much more to say. If you're looking to pick up a new microphone, I don't think you can go wrong with this one. If you're picking up a mic, then you might also be interested in harmonica pedals. In this video up here, I review the entire catalog of pedals by Lone Wolf Blues Company. Check it out, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.